Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync audio automatically in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. The option 1 is Sync in Media Pool. First, import your video and audio files. Then, select the both files. Just hold Ctrl then click to select both the video and audio clips. Then click Auto Sync Audio, then choose Based on Waveform. And done. The audio will now sync automatically and replace the camera mic with the external one. A chain link icon will appear indicating that the files are synced. And the option 2 is you can use sync in the timeline. Drag your video and audio in the timeline and select both clips and right click and choose auto align clips and based on the waveform. And make sure that both recording includes some shared audio. And that's it. That's how you sync audio automatically in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.